Clayton at Lights Wholesale. A couple of the questions we get is timers. What to do with the timer? How do they work? This timer is a photocell timer. It senses light. First off, you never want to place a photocell next to a light. When this goes on, when this goes off, that's going to control this. But in this case, you can take a timer rather than running it to a regular outlet somewhere on the house, be it on the front porch or by a garage to turn the lights on and off. This is a switched outlet. The customer inside their home has a switch that will power on and off this outlet. So in this install, we're going to connect the lights right into that. The customer will turn the lights on, turn them off. But in certain cases, if you've got kids and they're at home and they turn this lights off, of course, off goes the Christmas lights. This is a powered outlet. If the customer doesn't want to worry about always turning that switch on and off, it's late, they're going to bed, they're tired, their lights are still on, they get in bed, and the wife says, "Honey, did you turn the Christmas lights off?" You have to run downstairs, turn the switch off, and then take care of business, go back to bed. One recommendation is, again, the challenge part of this install is we've got a front porch light. That's going to affect this. But if there are times when you don't have any front porch lighting, to avoid the hassle of a homeowner getting ready for bed, they haven't turned their Christmas lights off, recommend if they want to use this outlet, if you're going to use this to power your lights, our recommendation is take one of your photocell timers, plug it in, and now you plug the lights in to this. So when the switch is off, this never has power. Recommendation to the customer is leave the switch on all the time. The switch inside the home is the master source for the power. Leave it on. So now when the customer's laying in bed, this is plugged into this photocell timer, which you adjust to 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. Now the lights will turn on, turn off as if they were plugged in to a photocell timer, eliminating headache from a homeowner.